I'm Michael Coleman and I'm with some abandoned cars today, and I think I may have just found a Honda NSX that's been abandoned. Let's have a look. I've not seen one of these for ages. No, it isn't actually. Camaro. It's a Camaro. And look, an old VW. These are pretty rare now. Look, these are called a Transporter. Abandoned as well. Haven't got the reg. It's actually left-hand drive. There we are. Inside's not too bad. Not been used for a long time. There we are. No number plate or anything. Anyway, I hope you found that interesting. If you did, please do like and subscribe. Thank you.